heavy battery. Well, battery in this old tractor gave out on me the other day. My workhorse on the farm, out of commission. So, let's get this new one into place. I had guys that pulled the other one out for me the other day. Get that laid out of the way. Wires out of the way. Please tell me that's going to somehow work its way through. Oh boy. And the heavy part of the job. And, oh boy. Helps to have the right grip though. Oh yeah, that just goes. There, that's the heavy part done. It's the problem with these tractors. When the bucket's down, you have no room to work. Get that where it's supposed to be, get that air filter out of my way. Move you around so you can see what I'm doing to connect. Of course, it's just the batteries. There's not much to it. Red to red, black to black. Hope you don't blow anything up. There, hopefully something can be seen there. Cap, don't need that. Wrench. Put you like that so they can get at you. Maybe I prefer you like that. Backwards. Not the best wrench, but it's what I have handy. Got no room to get in there with the sockets. Work with what I got. There, that's on. Now to reach through and get the other one. Of course, now the light's out of reach. You up there so that you're not pulling on my wire. So now I should be able to reach you. This help if I pull that cap off too. No sparky yet. Could be a good thing. Yes, the contacts were cleaned before I put that in. There, that's good. No room to walk around here. So, last thing, try to keep that from corroding on me. Get that nice bit of spray. Same thing on the other side. There, that should do that. Now, let's see how good we are. To 12.3. Yeah, we'll give that a little extra juice. Well, that wasn't much of a job today, but it needed to be done. So, let's look at what I have to play with next. So, picked up a toy. An old 1994, I think, John Deere Gator. It's kind of rough condition. Tires definitely need some air. That one's not even holding a bead. It's solid. Not much for dry rot. Well, casing's cracked. The box is very rough. Not even held down properly. But biggest issue right now Key. Starter. Starter motor turns, but it does not engage, so we'll play around with that. I've also got to mount the choke control somewhere out of the way. Suppose I could just probably just have it sit right there. Plastic's cracked pretty much everywhere, but this is a work machine, so that's a minor issue. The lights work. Here's the switch. One light works, not overly bright. Probably I'll mount a light bar on the front too for night work. Got the battery hidden down in here. It's not much of a battery. Lights are off. Turn the key off. Let's not lose battery. Set you down for a moment. Pull that box back up. Box is not bad, just needs a couple bolts and put some new sides on it, probably a little bit higher. Yes, there is a motor there. Covered in hay. Yeah, that'll be the next thing to see how that starter comes out, since I can't see a thing. That's a problem for another day. We'll play around with it. We'll get it going. Got a new belt to go on there too. While I've got the car down here, I should probably unload it. Needs a new clip welded onto that seat to lock it down properly. That's just another minor issue to fix. Got to change the choke because the old plastic was so brittle that when I tried to engage it, and the cruddy old wire just decided it wasn't going to move, and the handle snapped. So new wire, new control. That part's fixed. Funny thing was that it was actually starting when I got it here. Imagine that's probably the starter's got missing a few teeth on the pinion. But we'll play around with it. We'll pull it off and see what's going on with it. It's kind of iced up. Of course, it was stored outside when I picked it up, and the ice still has not melted off, of course. So, do I really care about fixing the plastic? Not really. The frame is solid. That's the important part. The motor does work, just it doesn't start at the moment. We'll play around with it when I have a chance. Of course, I gotta make a little bit of room around here to be able to work. Kids leave things scattered all over the place. Getting the tractor going today was the important thing for the morning. Put that back. Yeah, that's not really holding anything. We'll rebuild that, probably with pressure treated wood so that it'll handle a little more moisture. A couple bolts to lock it all down well. Nothing major. It'll be a nice workhorse to move around if it handles snow well. Came with a bunch of extra tires too, so not entirely sure when I have mixed treads in the back. But we'll play around with that too. If they hold pressure, good enough. Otherwise, I'll change it out for something else. Maybe make them all match, depending on how it handles in the snow. But it's chilly today. I'm tired. So getting the tractor ready to start was the big thing. I'll probably get it out tonight or tomorrow to move some rocks around while it's somewhat warm. So we got a working tractor again.